Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chinazor Ezeigwe. Okay, so this is my first YouTube video. Yes, so you can officially call me a YouTuber, right? Yes, officially a YouTuber. Okay, so all content on this channel is going to be centered around skincare and lifestyle. Now, I was once having skin concerns. I had skin concerns. There was a time I was having serious skin concerns. They are not even major right now. With the help of my esthetician, she has been able to curate a good routine for me. So on this channel, I'll be sharing many tips on skincare. All right, and there'll be reviews of products as well. And if you have been having issues navigating your skincare journey, then this is the right channel for you. Okay, so just subscribe, comment, like, and share these videos. All right, so that you will keep seeing my face. Fact is that I have always wanted to own my own space where I would sit, talk to people, and they will listen. Yes, but I have two issues. Two things actually hindered me showing up on YouTube. Okay. Firstly was procrastination. Yes, I'm so fond of procrastinating. And secondly was my studies. The fact just that I didn't want anything that would be interfering with my academic life. Okay, YouTube is always there. It's not running away, right? So I was like, let me just wait. Okay, maybe my 400 level I can start. I'm the 400 level student. So and I feel I can start now. I cannot multitask. Okay, I have actually learned the art of multitasking. I can do one or two things right now at the same time and still strike a balance. I had to get some questions from Pinterest. Yeah. So if you see me looking downwards, that is me trying to read out the questions. Question number one here says, "What is your full name?" Okay. My full name is Ezeigwe Chinazor Mary Cynthia Matilda. Yes, I have full names. I'm a Catholic. That's why. Second question here says, "How old are you? When is your birthday?" Okay. I turned 23 last month, being December. I was born on the 20th of December 2000. So I'm a Gen Z badge. Third question here says, "Where were you born?" Okay, I was born in Anambra, precisely in Junukofia local government area. What color is your hair? The color of my hair is black, obviously. Melanin. Question number five, how tall are you? Hmm. Do you really want to know? The truth, I will say the truth. Okay. The truth is that I'm not tall. No, I'm not. Okay. But it's not like I'm down to earth. Oh, I'm not down to earth. Please, I'm not short. I'm just somewhere in between. You can say averagely short, if there is anything like that. So that is basically it. I don't even know my height. Ah, God, I don't even know my height. I don't even, maybe I'm five something. I don't know, honestly. Question number six here says, "Do you have siblings?" Yes, I have siblings. I'm the oldest. I have four younger siblings. Do you have pets? No, please, no, I don't have pets. And I don't even have plans of having any. What is your favorite color? My man looking at me, you should know my favorite color. My favorite color is red. I love red so much. I just feel that red has this way of radiating my skin tone. I don't know, but that's just what I feel, and I've been sticking with red. It's not as if I don't wear other colors, so I do wear other colors, but in my wardrobe, you usually see more of red clothes. Yes. Question number nine. What do you want to do when you grow up? Mm, a lot. There is a lot in this head. I just started one now, content creation. I'm currently studying science education in school, and I still have a lot of other things I would still want to venture into. So a lot, a lot is in my head. What is your favorite subject in school? I have two favorite subjects in school actually, and they are language subjects. They're actually English language and Igbo language. I love the two subjects a lot. And anybody that knows me knows too well that I always have a way of mixing the two languages whenever I'm speaking writing. Not formal writing, please, okay? Formally, if I'm supposed to write English, of course I'll write it. If I'm supposed to speak English, I'll speak it fluently, okay? When it comes to a native setting, if I'm supposed to write or speak in Igbo, I'll do it without any issues, right? But I just always have this way of mixing the two when I'm speaking. I don't know, maybe it's because of the love I have for the two languages, but they have always been my favorite languages right from secondary school. Then, what do you do in your free time? In my free time, it's either I'm watching movies or I'm on my phone scrolling through Facebook and YouTube. Yes. What is do you play sports? Do I play sports? No, I don't play sports. I don't have the strength. Yes. What is your favorite food? Have you eaten semovita and oha soup before? If you have eaten this food before, you understand what I'm trying to say. This food is so delicious. Ah, it's my favorite food. The last question here is what are you grateful about at this point in your life? What I'm grateful about? Okay, I would love to rephrase the question. Who are you grateful for? And it would be my parents. Yes, I'm so grateful for having supportive parents. Honestly speaking, they are the reason that this content creation is here because they supported me in every way possible, financially, psychologically. My parents are very supportive, honestly speaking, and I appreciate them so much. This channel is going to be centered around skincare and lifestyle. Okay, you guys are going to be a part of my life right now. You guys are going to be like a second family. So if you will want to see more of this space and obviously get to know more about skincare, please just subscribe, like, comment, and share, okay, so that other people as well will get to know about this channel. See you in my next video. Bye.